Welcome to AutoVibe, and today we are taking you on a full walk-around experience of the 2026 Mercedes-AMG EV, a masterpiece of performance and luxury blended with the future of electric innovation. Starting from the front, the car instantly commands attention with its bold AMG signature grille, reimagined for the electric era. The illuminated Mercedes star glows with elegance, framed by aggressive LED headlights that sweep sharply toward the sides, creating a futuristic and athletic presence. The sculpted front bumper, with aerodynamic vents and subtle chrome accents, adds both style and function, enhancing airflow while emphasizing the sporty DNA of AMG. From the front, this car already sets the tone of power, refinement, and innovation. Now moving to the back, the 2026 AMG EV continues its dominance with sleek, connected LED taillights stretching across the width, giving a wide and confident stance. The rear diffuser is designed with precision, enhancing performance while maintaining the sporty AMG personality. Subtle AMG badging and a dynamic spoiler integrated into the rear profile add a racing-inspired edge. Even from behind, the car projects both luxury and raw power, making it a perfect balance of elegance and performance in an electric package. Shifting to the right side, the coupe-like profile of the EV is clear with its smooth flowing lines that cut through the air seamlessly. The frameless doors and flush handles give a clean and futuristic touch, while the sculpted side skirts highlight the car's aerodynamic character. The large AMG alloy wheels with low-profile tires command attention, emphasizing that this is not just an EV but a performance-driven machine designed to thrill every driver. Inside, the dashboard is a stunning blend of technology and craftsmanship. The massive MBUX hyperscreen stretches across the cabin, providing driver and passengers with immersive digital control. The AMG-specific graphics and customizable driving modes bring a sense of racetrack DNA directly into the interior. Premium leather carbon fiber trims and ambient lighting in multiple colors elevate the luxury feel while keeping the atmosphere sporty and futuristic. The front seats are sculpted AMG performance seats with high bolstering for maximum support. Wrapped in fine Nappa leather with contrast stitching, they not only provide comfort on long drives but also deliver a race-inspired grip when driving dynamically. Heated, ventilated, and fully adjustable, they embody the perfect mix of luxury and functionality. In the back seats, Mercedes ensures passengers also enjoy the ride. Spacious legroom, plush cushioning, and premium upholstery keep rear occupants comfortable, while ambient lighting and rear climate controls make the experience just as engaging as the front. Finally, in the engine room, the real heart of the 2026 AMG EV lies in its advanced dual-motor all-electric setup. Delivering blistering acceleration, lightning-fast torque response, and AMG-tuned handling dynamics, it redefines what performance feels like in the electric era. The electric powertrain is engineered for precision, speed, and sustainability,